Welcome to the Children's Museum of the Brazos Valley, where our mission is to provide a child-centered, hands-on, interactive environment for learning and discovery. We do that through many ways, through exhibits, programs, and events. All of our exhibits are hands-on. We have a construction exhibit, an HEB exhibit, an arts and crafts area. We even have a space that's specially made for toddlers and babies 2 years and younger. Aside from our exhibits, we also have many programs throughout the year, and in June, July, and August, we're having our summer camps. They range anything from Go West to clowning around to Bon Appetit cooking camp. We even have some Anything Goes camps where you're not going to get to know what you're doing until you come to the museum. So those are a lot of fun. They're full of surprises. Also in June and July, we are having what we call our Tri-Aggieland. It's a series of 2 different triathlons, one for kids and one for adults. The kids triathlon is going to take place on June 24th, and the adult sprint triathlon is going to take place on July 15th. Both of these events support our Healthy Kids initiative here at the Children's Museum, and they're really cool because all the participants will get to run through Kyle Field, which is totally awesome. So with those 3 things, our exhibits, our summer camps, and our triathlon, we support learning and discovery here, and we look forward to seeing you and your family here at the Children's Museum.